welcome back to my channel. I am Jalen Renee and I'm back again today with another upload. So today's upload is going to be a quick makeup look on the Yellow Fusion palette that I got from Profusion. It's this one. I did do an Upbeat Orange look, so this one is the Yellow Fusion. Just really quick, to be honest, I think the colors in Yellow Fusion worked out much better than the ones in Upbeat Orange. I found that I got a lot more pigment payoff, although it is the low end, affordable end type of payoff that you're gonna get, but I definitely was able to see some of the pigment when I did apply it to my eyelids. And also I still did get a lot of fallout and that kind of like chalky type of texture from the shades, but still they were much more pigmented once I put them on my eyelid. Now you'll see me making a few faces throughout the video, but that's just because I don't know, it has to be the formula. But if you see gnarly how like the formula is weird, I don't know, but it worked out just fine. If you're interested in seeing how the Yellow Fusion worked from the Profusion line. And before we continue, I just want to say thank you to the 100 subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much for hanging in there with me. I'm learning so much during this quarantine and I'm thankful for it because I'm learning a lot. I'm hoping to bring you guys better content, higher quality, as I learn how to work this expensive camera. Also, I'm going to be getting a backdrop customized for me to fit my personality and you guys' personality as well, hopefully. So make sure you subscribe. So let's get into it. So right now I'm going to be taking Bro and putting that right in my crease area. As you can see, I had a ton of fallout, but the difference between this palette and the orange palette is that the pigment actually showed up on my eyelid this time. The trick with dealing with more affordable, low-end quality products is to just keep piling it on there. Like, you literally have to just keep stacking it on there until you get the color payoff that you're looking for. Hopefully, that you're looking for. Next, I'm grabbing Safari to deepen up my crease. Now, this color Clift is the savior of the day. I love this brown, and it's so ironic that I'm obsessed with it. But I really, really love this brown. I think it's the best color in this palette as far as pigment payoff and the blending. It's amazing. Let's just say Gnarly was a very, very interesting formula. I did not think it was going to work out, but to my surprise, it did. But the formula is just extremely weird. I would like to know what they put in this shadow. So I used headliner to just fill in some empty spaces that I just saw on the eye, and I actually like how it turned out. Now it's time for complexion. I've already added my lashes. I am going in now with Morphe translucent powder. I am in the color Rich. Well, that's the color I use anyway. And then I'm gonna go into foundation and contouring. actually using the pure highlighting palette that you see in my hand right now. Just adding a pop of highlight on my face. I don't remember the name of this lippy, but I did get it from Shop Miss A. It's a part of their AOA collection, and I will make sure I list the name of it down below. The clear lip gloss is also from Shop Miss A. I know you're not supposed to wear the same color shirt with the same color eyeshadow, but I do it all the time and ain't nobody gonna check me about it. But this is the look. I honestly love this look. I love these types of colors in this particular palette, and it honestly worked out so much better than the orange palette. It just must be the type of formula, the type of pigment, but I would definitely suggest getting this one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you ladies on the next video.